Southern New Hampshire University, your next event destination. Located in Manchester, New Hampshire on the Merrimack River, Southern New Hampshire University is the perfect venue for summer camps, corporate retreats, conferences, receptions, and a variety of nonprofit events. Our campus is a short 15-minute drive from the Manchester-Boston Regional Airport and is in the largest city in New Hampshire. The small, closed 300-acre campus allows for a safe environment while the bustling city is a short trip away. Meeting space is available year-round and ranges from professional boardrooms to large auditoriums and banquet spaces. The Walker Auditorium and the Mara Lecture Hall are perfect for presentations and large meetings, while our many academic buildings have a variety of classrooms and boardrooms of all sizes. For larger groups, our Dining Hall Banquet Center can accommodate up to 400 people, while our field house can hold up to 2,200 people. Let Media Services impress your attendees by using custom lighting and digital recording technology. Take advantage of our conference call equipment and state-of-the-art presentation tools available in all campus facilities. Flavors by Sodexo will enhance any event. The friendly and professional staff can create options from a box lunch to a plated meal. Guests can also choose to use the University Dining Hall, which offers a number of selections. Sodexo works hard to create a custom menu tailored to meet all dietary needs and tastes at a reasonable price. On-campus residence halls are available for use from late May to early August and include air conditioning, private bathroom suites, and meeting space. All residence halls are within walking distance to the dining hall and meeting space. Wireless internet access and parking are complimentary amenities. Groups can also enjoy the athletic facilities and green spaces that Southern New Hampshire University has to offer. Southern New Hampshire University is a one-stop event location for all groups. Let our friendly and knowledgeable staff help to create your next successful event.